Alright, here we are at Custom Auto Works doing an install on my new plug and play light kit on a 2015 Lariat. It's got the halogen headlamps. The plug and play does not work for the LED headlamps. We have a different kit for that. But I've already removed the 10 push clips from the radiator cover. I don't think I really need to explain to anybody how to do that. We've got that loose. We've taken out our 4 heavy push pins that go along the front and our 2 10mm nuts that sit behind the end of the grills. And when you take these nuts off, if you push it on the grill a little bit to stop this metal piece from turning, you won't have any problems with it coming out of the clip that holds it in place. That'll just make life for you a lot easier. So we've got our string attached so we don't drop this thing down the side and lose it. Not that I've ever done that. So we'll just tie this end on. And I gotta say, probably the first thing is to get this light harness on the other side of this first clip, which might take a little bit. Pull out on the grill, drop the back down on there, don't let go of your string. Put your string in the center. You can take that first tab, pull out on the light kit just a little bit. Pull that side up in place. Pull that side up in place. Sure we're all looking good, nice and centered. Unlike you see with some of these other kits, one size fits all. Well, one size doesn't fit all. Set that push pin in place. Just so we don't lose the light bracket. Take a little piece of you don't tie them knots too tight, that string will come out of there fairly easily. For sure it will. Okay, only put a small knot in that. Alright, we got this one in there. You know, if I wasn't doing a video of this, it would go perfect. But since I am doing a video, we're going to have issues. Yeah, and those push clips do sit in there kind of hard. Take your screwdriver, pop it down, or yeah, pair of pliers, screwdriver, whatever. Push down in it real hard. Now this one is not going to come off for me either. Well, at this point, I would take my pocket knife and just trim that off. Alright, this is a install on 2015 Lariat with the halogen headlamps. The XLT with the halogen headlamps would be the same setup. We've now come up with a new plug-and-play version, no more crimping or splicing. You just unplug your parking lamp, plug in the Y adapter. You have to push up on this locking clip. You'll hear it snap in place. Make sure it locks real well. Plug the other end back into your parking lamp. You'll hear the little clip snap. And then you take the plug that comes on your Raptor light, plug it into that, and you're done. No more cutting, splicing, crimping, T-taps, any of that crap. If you have the LED headlights, unfortunately that plug's a little more complicated, so we still offer the T-tap version for that. I hope everybody appreciates the update and the time that we've put into making a kit that I feel that everybody's really going to like.